Welcome HPM Shop to hpmtech. Google Pixel Watch app and company in stop on smart unlock puppet. Google Pixel Watch to have its owner complete and supported a new smart unlock puppet. Early this in years Google accorded that in the going exchange the auto unlock experience with war in the OC between Android and Chrome OS device, Smart Unlock Distance and Smart Lock which in late nearly Bluetooth device and keep Android smartphone unlock on the device range and Smart Unlock special was in the OS compatible device and unlock smartphone and display will ensure option relock and side device. The flow covers 9 to Google Have and Management enable a new setting page and smart unlock and the prompt directory make and reference of the Google Pixel Watch in the but not worth in moment the Google Pixel Watch app smart unlock when you are watching unlock on your wrist and choose to your phone it is unlock this in phone add a device to stay set up to watch your smart unlock connected in your phone with Google Pixel Watch your app in the watch and phone must connected and to use smart unlock. Learn more to set up your watch for smart unlock. Connect to your phone with the Google Pixel smartwatch app. Your watch and phone must be connected to use smart unlock. This tell that your Google Pixel watch will and not use Wear OS connection app, but rather it is owner declared and imaging that will in the like how to pixel bots include using and directory audio app will in Google entered in the for the pixel with have unclear new experience from provide war in the OS smartphone and the directory comfortable and solved provide this experience the Google Pixel Watch in unleashed last month during Google ISO with its launch experience in the take place the Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. It is Google for hardware event which unleashed take place something October's up one day battery life the rear reset in the nursery in the watch cold moment. The like and comment articles show interest in the smart notification and your buy and smart your code tracking event yet. I vision and many smart watch great battery life so what make pixel watch dense battery too much. The like comment in the articles show interest to all smart watches from getting notification. You do that and buy cheap smart worthy in the not good tracking fitness yet up to one dry battery life. The reset and the just in every watch cool your means to set up your watch and the pixels iPhone watch. Google relaxes related Google reset Android 13 beta. The Google is outright and the third beta built Android 3rd and 4 supported in the phone. The commenced almost a month after this and second beta right time and the beekeeping. The company provide around a release which you can and see genuine in the imaging below the going in the B others in July and the then next step the final releases without all supported pixel some point fail with beta 3 Android 3 related platform support improvement remains and 4 app developer break is in the mess all app facing picture in the OS will is APS in the final when most in the platform what in the changing for unclear final released is a quick reflection Android 13 beta in the with reviews and the 4 privacy security product in the will a battery support in the tablet large screen building in the up to work standard in the Android and the late new notification permission and remote photo picture and share template and icon per app language support and support modem star HDR Bluetooth and USB. If you went to and Android third beta and the Pixel, you can simply inquire in the receive building your software update and the receive already intro in the update shortly. Thank for AI graphic and the 6 strong and PC smartphone these and defense also most refresh in the needed unlock and the routing available in modem device and always rotate vacuum and try to his and just getting to and closing related and supported 8 chain and the will have and acid 1.2 2.2 2.3 CPU confirmation and the post the commit Google released commit 16 12 previews based text platforms February, March, April, May, June, July. Final reached with and approve and the basic June, July to release Android 13 enroll here in the source build software update and device already more the information